Do you often wonder what to fix on a hot summer's day, or just anytime you want something cool and refreshing as a side dish? Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick cucumber salad that is a little spicy, but you could, leave out some of the spicy parts if that doesn't interest you. So here we go. I'm going to try a new recipe today. I'm going to make a cucumber salad with mainly soy sauce and chili oil. And the first thing to do is I washed the cucumber and I've cut off the ends. I'm not going to peel it, but I'm going to slice it into little coins. Just put them in this bowl. I love the fresh smell of cucumbers. Okay, now I need to salt the cucumbers, and I'm just going to layer them and add salt. This is going to help remove some of the water. I'm going to let the cucumbers sit. They've been all salted for 5 minutes. And then in the meantime, I'm going to mix up the dressing. I have all the ingredients here in front of me, and I'll just go through them as I measure them out. And I'm only making half of a recipe because it's just me, and I don't want the cucumbers to get soggy and weird before I can eat it all. So all of the ingredients that I'm going to show can be doubled and just use 2 cucumbers instead of 1. Or you can use the mini cucumbers, the small ones that don't have seeds, or the English cucumbers. So I'm going to start with the soy sauce. I'm going to use half of a tablespoon. And I'm just going to put it in a tablespoon measure and do my best guess that that's about half. This isn't something that has to be real precise. Now I'm going to do all the liquid things at once that use the tablespoon. Half of a tablespoon of rice vinegar. I love all of these ingredients, so I'm sure I will love this. Half of a tablespoon of sugar. I'm just going to get a different spoon. We need half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And half of a tablespoon of Chinese chili oil. And again, I'm not going to dip a dirty spoon in, so I'm just going to grab some. That should be plenty. This isn't particularly hot, but it gives a really good flavor. And I need some garlic. It says 1 clove, but I'm just going to do a spoonful. And I'm going to use one of my clean measuring spoons. That should be plenty. And I'm going to wait. It also calls for sesame seeds, but I'm going to wait and sprinkle this on at the last minute. The next thing we need to do, it's been about 5 minutes, is to rinse the cucumbers. So I'm going to stir this up. And I'm going to give it a little taste. Yeah, that's going to be good. I'm going to pour my cucumbers into this little colander, or strainer, and now I'm going to rinse them really well to get that salt off. Okay, I'm going to give them one more good rinse. And then I'm going to let them drain. I'm going to return the cucumbers to the bowl and pour the dressing over top. I'm going to put these in the fridge and I'll try one later. I want them chilled. And then I will also sprinkle the sesame seeds over top. And here it is. Here is the cucumber salad, Asian inspired. I put some sesame seeds on it, and I'm going to try it now. It's good. The cucumbers are still crunchy, and it's not too hot. To me, it's not hot and spicy. But you could make it, like I said, with whatever ingredients sound good to you. I'm going to have some more. And I'll see you next time.